I'm here today to share with you all this gorgeous wig I ordered off of Amazon.com for only $20. Yes, $20, child. And I'm here today to share it with you. Now, if you are not familiar with shopping on Amazon for your wigs or your hair pieces, you really need to stop and start shopping on Amazon.com. Now, the reason why I like to shop on Amazon is because if I have a problem with the wig when I receive it, I can easily return it. No questions asked, no problems, no drama. And you know, when you tend to shop on the regular wig websites like I have done in the past, I would get a wig and the cap might be too small, or it might look like it was a damaged wig. I will catch HELL trying to return the daggone wig. Sometimes customer service won't answer my emails, or they'll give me the runaround, ultimately leading to my own frustration of just keeping the daggone wig that I ordered. But on Amazon, I ain't got to worry about that. So to make sure I have the specs and everything else correctly about this $20 wig, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So this bob is from the Go collection. It's made of 100% premium high temperature fiber. It's curling safe up to 300 degrees. The style name is called GO114. And the color I am wearing is 99J. This is what the packaging had looked like. That is the model that was on the packaging. And this is what the wig looked like exactly when I received it and got it out of its packaging. And if you are new to wearing wigs, this is perfect for you because there's no lace to cut, there's no parting space for you to manipulate. You just cut the tag off like I did, throw it on, and you are out the door. This is what it's looking like from the front. You know, it got the blunt cut bang. This is what it's looking like. This is the wig from the side, and I'm loving how sharp the edges are, the way it's cut. So this is it from the side. This is the wig from the back. The wig from the back. The wig from the other side. And this is the wig from the front. And like I said, I ordered this wig off of Amazon for only $20. And if you're interested and want to check it out for yourself, this wig do come in a slew of different colors for you to choose from. Yeah, the link to it will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check the description box down below for the link that will take you directly to the wig. And on that note, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.